Samantha, are you talking? Samantha, show your mommy how you swim. Come on, baby. Come on, Samuel. Come on. Come on, baby. Samantha, you know how to swim. You know how to swim. Come on, baby cakes. Look at that. Is she doing the doggy stroll? There you go. Good girl, Sammy. Good girl. That's showing off. Chance, can I see you swim? Chance, can I see you swim? Come on, bring me ball. That's our campsite over there. Samantha, swim for mommy. Come on. Come on, let's go show daddy you know how to swim. Come on, baby cakes. Come on, Chance. Are you guys contemplating? Should I swim? Should I swim? What should I do? Look at Chance.